Greetings, friends. It's Joe with JoeDoesSolar.com. This video is dedicated to all of my friends here in Central Florida that are still stuck on the solar sidelines. Look, I get why. You're smart enough to know what you don't know. So you research ads, solar calculators, spec sheets, consumer reviews, and you feel like you might know enough to express an interest in going solar. So you submit your data to, unbeknownst to you, a solar lead generating company, and your phone blows up immediately and incessantly. Uh-oh. So you find the courage to feel out a few calls, and when the telemarketers can't answer some of your easy questions, they persuade you to book an appointment with one of their sales reps. In the meantime, a few other guys knock on your door. You make a pact with your significant other that you will absolutely not sign with anyone until after you've talked to at least 3 different companies. Fast forward 3 appointments for at least an hour each, watching infomercials on some guy's iPad, and then the high-pressure sales tactics. Although there are many similarities between the information conveyed in these 3 appointments, there's a wide disparity in system size, layout, and God knows what else they told you. So you, being logical, revert back to the very place all of this started, the realization that you still don't know enough to get off the solar sidelines. Yeah, you're likely thinking, wow, Joe, get out of my head. I'm not in your head, but I've seen this show a few times. So here's some truth. Many solar companies take advantage of what you don't know. Sorry, truth over harmony. WFTV in Orlando recently did an expose of a solar company that misled or lied to their customers about the tax credit, costing each customer an additional $20,000. I received a solar sales call just yesterday, and instead of just hanging up, I listened and asked questions. I asked, so there are no minimum income requirements for the tax credit? Note, this is an income tax credit, IRS Form 5695. Her reply, no, the size of your credit depends on the size or the cost of your solar investment. Okay, this is true in regards to the credit, I suppose. The bigger the cost, the bigger the credit, currently at 26%. But for someone with little or no income, like someone on Social Security, they will never be able to use the credit. The IRS won't credit something that hasn't been debited. So if a $40,000 investment is worth a little easy research and you're not opposed to asking for help, you'll be glad you stayed here with me. Check out my videos. Learn, digest, verify, ask me, get straight answers. Know also that most of the help I provide my customers in charting out their best solution usually goes on for a few weeks of sharing our ideas, texting back and forth, talking, defining their goals, and systematically addressing all data points, all to ultimately deliver their best solution. Think about that if you've ever contemplated signing with a sales rep in an hour. Click the link in the description to get in touch with me for an honest solar consultation. At the end of the day, if I wouldn't do it, I'll advise you the same. I'd rather make a friend. As I always say, I'm here to help. If you would like your questions answered, please leave a comment for future content ideas. I'll leave you with a few comments from my customers.